In the heart of the Eastern Township Mountains in Quebec, a plan is being forged for the future of our planet. Alliance Magnesium. This Canadian company has designed and patented clean electrolysis technology to produce magnesium contained in the residue of serpentine rock. Decades of chrysotile extraction have generated millions of tons of serpentine containing 25% magnesium and 40% silica. This represents hundreds of millions of tons of raw materials laying on the ground, ready to be put through the Alliance Magnesium process. This is a huge asset. Alliance Magnesium is planning on an annual production of 50,000 megatons of magnesium as of 2021.
Alliance Magnesium has started this project in 2012. We have rapidly identified a great opportunity to have access to a huge mineral resource containing a metal named magnesium. Also, we have been able to make the acquisition of a huge industrial site that give us access to tremendous assets, and those assets provide us a good way to reduce the risk of the deployment of our project.
There are many applications for magnesium in our everyday lives, but that of Alliance Magnesium is intended for the automotive and aerospace industries. Magnesium is very malleable and resistant. It is 70% lighter than steel and 33% lighter than aluminum. This makes it the ideal solution to meet the increasingly stringent standards imposed on car manufacturers to reduce the environmental footprint of their vehicles. In fact, magnesium is set to become the new standard in the automotive industry. It is essential for the progress of electric transportation. Demand is exploding in this industry. It is expected to grow 20-fold by 2035. China currently produces 85% of the world's magnesium, but mainly through a thermal process that is highly polluting and no longer satisfies progressive environmental standards. Alliance Magnesium offers a cleaner alternative that is more aligned to the industry's needs.
Alliance Magnesium defines itself as a clean tech company. The magnesium is used mainly into the automotive industry to reduce the weight of the cars. Reducing the weight of the car provides a good way for the industry to meet the emission standard, but also for the electric vehicle to increase the driving range.
Alliance Magnesium has acquired Magnola's old magnesium production site, as well as close to 100 million tons of serpentine, which makes up its raw material. Located 150 kilometers from Montreal and near the American border and the port of Bécancour, the Alliance Magnesium plant is easily accessible via local roadways, major highways, and railways. The site also has a vast water and plumbing system capable of supplying pumping and fire services, recovery ponds, and a laboratory. Power is provided by Hydro-Quebec's high-voltage facilities and natural gas. Alliance Magnesium will deploy its business model in 3 phases. The first pilot unit was constructed and operated successfully at a cost of $12 million. The first ingots were poured in May 2017. A commercial demonstration phase is underway. Production of the equivalent of 12,000 tons of primary and recycled magnesium will begin, as well as significant production of high-quality amorphous silica. The final phase of commercialization will require a $600 million investment and produce 50,000 tons of magnesium. It will create 350 direct jobs.
La MRC des Sources est vraiment fière d'accueillir Alliance Magnesium sur son territoire. Depuis le départ, Alliance Magnesium a été un citoyen corporatif exemplaire, autant au niveau de la relance de notre région qu'au niveau acceptabilité sociale. Nous sommes très fiers d'accueillir Alliance Magnesium chez nous et de collaborer avec eux.
Alliance Magnesium has a seasoned management team. Its board of directors includes people who are considered important stakeholders in their business communities. Highly qualified personnel handle the technical aspects of the operations. All have the company's future at heart. Alliance Magnesium will radically change the world of magnesium production, transforming the environmental challenges into economic successes on an international scale. Alliance Magnesium, building a greener future.